Good morning, everybody. J&G Electric, Joey here to talk to you about RF smoke detectors, radio frequency smoke detectors. Why it's important to have radio frequency smoke detectors. This is just a standard smoke detector only in my hand, the blue box. The purple box is a smoke detector with carbon monoxide. And finally, just a standard smoke alarm. The difference between the two of these is this one in my left hand is the one that you're going to use when you are going to replace an existing smoke detector in your home. This is going to be the battery only unit that will go in other locations in your home that will receive the radio signal from this that will link the whole system together. So if you have an alarm in your basement, you will hear it in your bedrooms on all levels of your home, wherever you would place one of these smoke alarms and or one of these smoke alarms. This is also a 120 volt smoke alarm that is the hardwired portion. So either of these two is like the brain of the smoke detector system. Tomorrow we will talk a little bit about carbon monoxide and the importance of having carbon monoxide detectors in your home. With that, we just want to thank you for viewing and hope that you have a great and wonderful, blessed day. Take care. J&G out.